I guess in some way when I was younger, I did know the truth. I always just felt different or just kind of wrong, but I wasn't really sure what that was. I was growing up as a girl. It really wasn't until, I was married and I had done everything that I was like supposed to do, but it just wasn't right and I just felt like I was playing a role. I identify primarily just as a man, but gay, transgender man. Sephora was the first job I had after coming out, and I feel appreciated and loved by them in a way that I haven't really had working anywhere else. I love that I can make myself look cool like in a different way. Like I don't try to look masculine, I don't try to look feminine, I just try to look edgy or like a little bit editorial. There's no one mold for transgender people to fit in. We come in all shapes and sizes, styles, expressions, just like you.